Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
चुप माही चुप है रांझा बोले कैसे वे ना जा. People are getting a little bored of like the recreations and everything. तो independent music का एक boom मिला है, which is also great. तो I think कुछ बुरे के साथ कुछ अच्छा भी होता है. मूवीज के हिसाब से पंजाबी सिर्फ खाना खिलाते हैं, दारू पिलाते हैं और सब बोलते रहते हैं ओ यार कुछ नहीं होता, बस तू फिक्र ना कर.
रांझा एक्चुअली रिलीज जसलीन 2 हफ्ते पहले हो गए एंड शुरू से इतना सारा प्यार आ रहा है गाने को लेके, सो मच लव. बट नाउ स्पेशली आफ्टर द रिलीज आई एम श्योर द लव हैज जस्ट increased. And how are you receiving it all?
I am seeing a change. There is a change. So many people are messaging and you are saying you're listening it on repeat. My dad is very happy. मेरे डैड को इतना ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आता म्यूजिक, पर वो कोई कोई गाने पे ना ऐसे बोल देते हैं ये मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा. तो he said that for रांझा. चुप माही चुप है रांझा. And he said that for लव यू जिंदगी also. लव यू जिंदगी. उनको हिट गानों की पहचान है. Somehow he also doesn't know. तो अच्छा लग रहा है. Like the other day when Katrina put up a story, I was like, wow, मतलब she must have really loved it, and I'm so grateful that so much love is coming from everywhere, and I'm very happy.
As a composer, you got B-Prack on board, Jasleen.
Yes.
You have your own style, okay? Not just style, I would say there's a way that you operate in your music, and then there is B-Prack who's B-Prack, okay? Like, how could you bring this side of B-Prack जो हमने नहीं देखी थी अभी तक?
Yeah, when I approached him, I had just heard his मन भरिया. तो मैंने उनका एक कैफे पे बैठ के बॉम्बे में मन भरिया सुना था. I was like, I have to approach him, and I approached him, and he was very sweet, and I said like, please dub this for a film, and he sent me the dub. It sounded so much better. मतलब ऐसा he just lifted the whole thing up, and I was like, wow, this is lovely. बस फिर मैंने इतना नहीं सोचा. I was like, हाँ. Like now I'm reading on Twitter कि बस बोल रहे हैं कि we could never imagine Jasleen's voice and B-Prack's voice together. How is that? I didn't think so much. I loved his voice. I thought like let's make him dub. And I put my voice. I was like, हाँ. I didn't think too much. Fun fact is I made this for a film. एक और फिल्म थी तो उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया था ये.
आज बहुत बुरा लग रहा होगा उन्हें. आज बहुत बुरा लग रहा है.
पर ऐसा वैसे बहुत बार हो चुका है. खो गए हम का also someone had rejected, and I was like, okay. When this song reached its right takers, they made it even more beautiful with their inputs. So I think हर एक song एक journey होती है, and the way it's fitting on Siddharth and Kiara's chemistry and the whole video is just
they're looking
it to
so gorgeous. They're looking so gorgeous.
I can't imagine the song being a part of any other movie for that matter.
Tell me, how did you feel watching Kiara speaking Punjabi and everything for the movie?
जिद्दा ना होया मेरा विआह विक्रम नाल ते फिर मैं कदी किसी भी नाल विआह ना करांगी.
And B, tell me कि किस वे में पंजाबी misrepresent होते हैं बड़े पर्दे पर.
Actually, I'm glad you brought it up. So my mom, वो तो पूरी पंजाबी है ना, तो ऐसे जब भी कोई पंजाबी कैरेक्टर प्ले करता है फिल्म में तो she's like ये तो ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, ये she's not looking like a Punjabi only. तो थोड़े I think सबके साथ ही होता होगा ना, like when you belong to a certain region you want that region to be depicted in the most authentic way. So my mom is like, Kiara is looking so good, and she's actually played this Punjabi girl so well that I am so fully floored. I'm like, सही है, मतलब she has a take of her own on the movie and an actor and a character. So I think that answers your question. Like she's so good in it. बहुत सारी movies दिखा देते हैं, बहुत loud होता है पंजाबी, हर बात पे ओ पाजी ओ
तेरा प्रांती का है.
और मूवीज के साथ पंजाबी को कोई टेंशन होती नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं समझ गई थोड़ी. मतलब दे आर लाइक मूवीज के साथ पंजाबी सिर्फ खाना खिलाते हैं, दारू पिलाते हैं और सब बोलते रहते हैं ओ यार कुछ नहीं होता, बस तू फिक्र ना कर.
There's this one scene जहाँ पे क्यारा के फादर उसे पुत्र जी बुलाते हैं ना, जब पुत्र जी मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा वो देख के. It's like oh, that's how they call us, पुत्र जी. It's like wow, beautiful. When I was also looking for Ranjha,
हाँ,
I could see that people have actually searched, and I was looking at the Google questions.
अच्छा,
That is Ranja original?
हाँ.
Where
Oh,
has it
wow,
been
really?
taken from? Because I was reading all the comments
हाँ,
and बहुत rare हो गया basically.
हाँ, कि मतलब लोगों को डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये ओरिजिनल नहीं हो सकता. सही है. अच्छा है, फिर तो अच्छा जा रहे हैं.
ये क्यों इतना rare हो गया? What? Why?
नो आइडिया. आई थिंक बट इट्स चेंजिंग नाउ यार, क्योंकि लोग बना रहे हैं फिर न्यू म्यूजिक, एंड इन सब में ऐसा भी हुआ है कि इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक हैज गॉटन मोर लिसनर्स, क्योंकि पीपल आर गेटिंग अ लिटिल बोर्ड ऑफ लाइक द रिक्रिएशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक को एक बूम मिला है, व्हिच इज आल्सो ग्रेट. तो आई थिंक कुछ बुरे के साथ कुछ अच्छा भी होता है. So, and but now people are making effort to release original music also.
A rapid fire with Jasleen. If there is a song जिसको you will get very upset if that song gets recreated.
अगर तुम साथ हो maybe, and some Lucky Ali song.
Yeah, that will be a crime.
Yeah.
One song of yours that you think deserved more popularity.
तेरी दास्तां from Hichki. Very close to my heart.
A good choice. I mean, that's your song only.
Thank you.
Would you or would you not do a song remake if you're approached by a big banner?
Like never say never. Sometimes you can end up creating nice recreations also. So like don't do it. Like the whole album can't be recreation.
Tell me one recreation you think has gone wrong.
यार मेरे को फंसाओ मत. नहीं
ठीक है, then we will not.
हाँ.
Here's the thing. Never have I ever felt insecure because of my contemporary singer or musician.
नहीं, of course I have.
Which are your go-to songs for these situations
Okay.
when you're feeling a bit low, sad?
Right now I'm listening a lot to Rihai De from Mimi.
Mimi.
हाँ. अगर तुम साथ हो, that's like one of my top favorites. And when I need a little boost, maybe, but I'm feeling a little low, so maybe Manja.
So one song Jasleen would always want to tune in when she's feeling on top of the world, like bring it on.
If I'm with my friends and I'm feeling very, so I'll play Dil Chahta Hai title track. Maybe a Lucky Ali song, like life is so good, feeling amazing, like Oh Sanam, Anjani Raho, Mein Kya Dhoondta Phire, like.
You tell me a song that you listen to when you're missing someone special. For me now the song has changed to Ranja, but you tell me.
I think Tu Bin Bataye.
Yeah, you've just reminded me of these songs which I've always known, but thank you so much. I hope you're able to collect all the love that you're getting for Rancha, because there's to come much more and a lot more.
Thank you. All the best to you too. Always lovely talking to you.
Always lovely talking
Meet
to
you
you.
soon.
Good one. Collect all the love.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.